What's in the air today? Is it love? Is it good? I know I've got you and you've got me too. Alright, come on, nothing could go wrong. But you go. Every day seems better, 'cause you're always around. Life is so much brighter, but you're looking down.
With daily updates on air quality, Vicky can surely take a break. Switches that do more, like air quality monitoring, voltage surge protection, and smart home automation. Miluz ZeTa. Little things, big impact.